Hey everybody, welcome back to my Dollar Tree find for Easter. I did not film, but I was able to find the viral stackable eggs and the peeps. Like I said, I wasn't able to film that area. The lady kind of was looking at me like, do not. So I had a sneak film of what they still had left at the Dollar Tree, which you're gonna see the full haul when I get home. But as you can see, this was last week. I want to say about the 12th of February. I did still find a lot of stuff. I was actually surprised that the eggs and the peeps were still there, since I had to go back and get more because I had already gotten some before, but I was just super shocked that they had some. She said they had a late delivery, and a lot of them did, that there were some shipments coming in really late, so you might still be able to find all that great stuff. Which, if you're looking for some last minute Easter stuff, I mean, I know it's not until the end of April, so maybe there'll be some newer things. And I did grab some of those cute little floral plates for my spring table. Super excited. And if you have ADHD, please make sure you do not go alone. That's all. Okay, so I just got done. I had my stuff in there. And we're going to go ahead and head home. Hope you guys can hear me better with this one. I was using the fluffy one, and that was picking up like every sound, which was really insane. All right. See you in a second. So I just got home. My dog was growling me chip bones. So I did actually find these Peep set of 4 stackable containers. Absolutely love these for decoration. And the stackable eggs. I got the pink with the multicolored and the white, just in case. I might actually mix them up, where I'm taking like the middle one and switching it where it's white, and then the other one will have a color in the middle. And for all of you people that are loving that light sage color right now, I actually got 3 of these. I just put 2 upstairs due to the fact that I had like some shampoo and like Q-tips and stuff in them. But I found these for my daughter's room, and the dark navy honeycomb for my son's room. They tend to like these for storage a lot more. And I don't know if you guys saw this, but I was kind of surprised that they had the tumbler spinner there. Pretty cool. As well as, okay, so I'm just going to walk around. I got 3 of these, sorry. These ones were 3 each. You guys, I was just on Amazon trying to buy containers like this. Could not find them. And that is the cutest thing ever. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. And let me know in the comments if there was anything that I found that you guys have been looking for, and or stuff that you have found. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.